When I'm writing, sometimes I read the whole page out loud. I don't practice dialogue with other people. It's not like writing a screenplay in any way. It's the dialogue of the book. I love writing dialogue. I can hear the people talking in my head. I know who they are. I know what they want. I know what their goals are. I know their personalities. And the dialogue actually comes out pretty easily. Any author will tell you that your book will be helped by reading it out loud. You hear the unintentional rhyme and the repeated words and the awkward, unnatural exposition and the things that people would never say. You can only hear that if you read it out loud. It's very time consuming and it's easy to skip, but every time I read sections of my book out loud, I find things that I need to change. Also, reading your book out loud is a great way to get yourself started if you feel that you're stuck in a certain place. If you just rewind your book a little bit and read a couple of pages out loud up to the point where you don't know what comes next, your brain will just continue. Your brain will just finish that story, finish that thought, give you a new idea. Your brain will offer you, if you're lucky, your brain will offer you what has to come next because you've put it on that roller coaster of thought. I don't know, it works for me, thank goodness. But the thing about writing a story that's difficult for me is furniture. It's very difficult. Dialogue is a snap. Plot, I can manage. Describing furniture is very difficult.